In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to save a circuit and reuse it anywhere in your project. One save, one insert, simple and fast. We're taking an existing circuit, saving it into our user library, and then inserting it back into the drawing. Start by zooming in so the full circuit is visible. AutoCAD Electrical uses this view to create the preview image. Go to Schematic, Edit Components, Save Circuit to Icon menu. This opens your user circuit library. Click Add New Circuit. Give it a clear name, something you'll recognize later. Motor Type 1. I'll click Active and ensure the Create PNG from Current Screen Image is selected. This will be our circuit icon image. I also need to add a circuit drawing file name. It doesn't have to match the name of the icon. Then I click OK. Now AutoCAD Electrical asks for two things: a base point, pick the leftmost connection point where the circuit ties into the bus, and the objects to include. Window the entire circuit, left to right, excluding the horizontal bus. Press Enter. Click OK to save. And that's it. The circuit is now saved into your user folder and is ready to reuse. Now let's insert the circuit we just saved. Go to Insert Components, Circuit, Insert Saved Circuit. Here's the circuit we saved. Select it, confirm the scale, and place the insertion point directly on the top wire bus. Click to insert. AutoCAD Electrical retagged the components and maintained the parent-child relationships automatically. The only thing left to do is to update the wire numbers and it is now complete. Instead of redrawing the circuit every time, you save it once and reuse it in seconds. This is a huge time saver when you're working with repeated designs like motors, starters, relays, control blocks, and other circuits. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.